JYMed Peptide is a globally recognized peptide CDMO, established in 2009 and now one of the most advanced peptide development and manufacturing platforms in Asia. Operating a 7,000 meter squared R&D campus and employing over 600 professionals, including more than 130 dedicated scientists, we integrate technical depth with operational agility to accelerate peptide therapeutics from concept to clinic. To date, we have executed more than 3,000 custom synthesis programs, supported over 50 full-service CDMO partnerships, and contributed to over 20 IND submissions across global regulatory jurisdictions. Our infrastructure includes 10 GMP manufacturing lines designed for scalability, from preclinical grams to commercial multi-ton output. By 2026, we will exceed 10 tons of annual GMP capacity, positioning JYMed among the most capable peptide manufacturers worldwide. Science-driven, technology-enabled, and quality-focused, JYMed supports pharmaceutical companies, biotech innovators, and health-focused organizations at every stage of development. JYMed Peptide, a leading global peptides solution provider.